Yo, tech lovers, ready to ride the future? We're diving into the future of transportation 2030, from flying cars to self-driving robocars. So don't blink, don't scroll, don't miss it. The future is in your hands, right now. The Ekranoplan Chaika 2 is an advanced ground effect vehicle that blends the speed of an airplane with the efficiency of a ship. Designed to glide just a few meters above the water's surface, it uses the aerodynamic ground effect to achieve high speed and energy efficiency while carrying heavy loads. Unlike traditional aircraft, it doesn't need a runway, and unlike ships, it experiences minimal drag. Built for both civilian and military use, the Chaika 2 is ideal for rapid transport, cargo delivery, and coastal defense missions. With its unique hybrid design, it showcases the future of high-speed maritime and aerial mobility. The GAC Space Concept Car represents a bold and futuristic vision of personal mobility, combining advanced automotive technology with space-age design. Its sleek aerodynamic exterior is complemented by AI-powered systems and state-of-the-art connectivity, demonstrating how future vehicles could interact intelligently with both drivers and their environment. Inside, the cabin is designed like a high-tech cockpit, featuring immersive displays, intuitive controls, and smart automation that optimize comfort, efficiency, and safety. The concept car goes beyond aesthetics, embodying GAC's commitment to sustainable, intelligent, and adaptable transportation. By pushing the limits of design, technology, and user experience, the Space Concept Car provides a glimpse into a new era of innovative, eco-friendly, and highly connected vehicles, redefining what personal transportation can achieve in the future. The Phantom 3500 is an innovative aircraft concept designed to redefine the future of air travel with unmatched speed, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology. Its advanced aerodynamics, combined with sustainable propulsion systems, ensure faster flight times, reduced emissions, and a quieter journey compared to conventional aircraft. The aircraft features a futuristic design that incorporates lightweight composite materials, intelligent flight controls, and AI-assisted navigation, maximizing safety and performance. Every aspect of the Phantom 3500 is engineered to enhance the flying experience, from streamlined wings to optimized fuel efficiency. Inside, passengers are welcomed into spacious, high-tech cabins equipped with comfort-focused features, luxurious seating, and advanced entertainment systems, creating a flying experience unlike any other. With its blend of innovation, sustainability, and luxury, the Phantom 3500 is more than just an aircraft. It represents a bold leap forward in aviation. By integrating technology, environmental responsibility, and passenger comfort, it provides a clear vision of how air travel can evolve to meet the demands of the future. The Tensor Robocar is a revolutionary autonomous vehicle designed to transform the landscape of personal transportation. By integrating cutting-edge artificial intelligence, advanced sensor arrays, and full self-driving capabilities, Tensor enables passengers to travel safely, efficiently, and effortlessly without ever touching the steering wheel. Its sleek, futuristic design is paired with smart connectivity, real-time navigation, and adaptive learning systems that continuously enhance the driving experience, ensuring each journey becomes more intuitive and seamless over time. Built with comfort, convenience, and sustainability in mind, Tensor offers a spacious, high-tech interior that combines luxury with functionality. The vehicle is equipped with energy-efficient systems, advanced safety protocols, and proactive obstacle detection, providing an intelligent, reliable, and environmentally friendly mode of transport. More than just a car, Tensor functions as a self-driving companion, anticipating passenger needs, adjusting routes dynamically, and integrating seamlessly into daily life. Ideal for urban commuting, long-distance travel, and multi-purpose use, the Tensor Robocar redefines what personal vehicles can achieve. By combining innovation, sustainability, and futuristic design, it offers a clear vision of the next generation of mobility, where autonomous vehicles are not just modes of transport, but intelligent partners that enhance efficiency, safety, and convenience in our everyday lives. 240 words. Magnetic Rail is revolutionizing the future of cargo transportation by blending the proven reliability of traditional rail systems with the cutting-edge speed and efficiency of magnetic levitation. Developed by Nomo, the innovative MagRail technology upgrades existing railway infrastructure rather than requiring entirely new maglev networks. This breakthrough enables freight trains to operate faster, quieter, and with remarkable energy efficiency, all while minimizing infrastructure costs. Because it can be seamlessly integrated into current rail tracks, MagRail offers a cost-effective and scalable path toward modernizing global transport systems. Beyond improving performance, MagRail contributes significantly to sustainability by reducing carbon emissions and energy consumption. Its ability to deliver higher cargo capacity and faster delivery times positions it as a game changer for global supply chains. At the Berlin exhibition, CRRC proudly unveiled this next-generation technology, marking a pivotal step toward a future where freight transport becomes faster, greener, and smarter. A perfect harmony of innovation, sustainability, and efficiency that promises to reshape the logistics landscape worldwide. The BMW Motorrad Vision CE is a revolutionary electric motorcycle designed to transform urban mobility for the future. Sleek, lightweight, and fully electric, it offers a zero-emission riding experience without compromising speed, performance, or agility. The Vision CE combines dynamic design with sustainable technology, creating a motorcycle that is both visually striking and environmentally responsible. Equipped with advanced connectivity, intuitive controls, and cutting-edge safety systems, it ensures effortless and efficient navigation through city streets. Its innovative electric drive delivers smooth acceleration, responsive handling, and quiet operation, making it ideal for modern urban environments. The high-tech cockpit integrates digital displays and smart interfaces, providing riders with real-time information and seamless interaction with the vehicle. More than just a mode of transport, the Vision CE represents BMW's vision for the future of two-wheeled mobility, where style, performance, and eco-conscious design come together. With its combination of sustainability, technology, and futuristic aesthetics, the BMW Motorrad Vision CE offers a glimpse into how motorcycles of tomorrow can redefine urban riding, making it smarter, cleaner, and more exciting.